Ready to go? Spokane Tower, Cutlass 9656 Bravo, holding short of 3 at Charlie. Ready to go.
Cutlass 9656 Bravo, Spokane Tower is 1508, runway 3 at Charlie, cleared for takeoff. And traffic spot 7 miles out, 737.
Alright, 3 at Charlie, cleared for takeoff on the 56 Bravo.
Southwest 760.
Do a short field or a soft field takeoff. Do those for your commercial. Remember which one has flaps, which doesn't?
Short field has flaps and soft field does.
Okay.
All flaps are open.
Traffic.
Confirm Southwest 760, clear to land on 3.
Southwest 760, yes sir. Wind is now 130 at 7.
Clear to land 3, Southwest 760, thank you.
Cutlass 56 Bravo, you can proceed the right or left turn on course, your choice.
Alright, left turn for here, 56 Bravo.
Cutlass 56 Bravo, actually remain with me for another minute or so.
Will do for 56 Bravo. He's gonna let Southwest take off, and that's...
Southwest 760, be a left turn at Echo and Alpha to the ramp with me.
Left at Echo and Alpha with you, so 760.
Southwest 3671, Spokane Tower, wind is 120 to 12, runway 21, cleared for takeoff. Flighting 130 to join J52.
130 on the heading to join J52, clear for takeoff on runway. Oh, what are we on?
2-1.
Traffic not available.
You say heading again for that
130 heading.
130, thanks.
There he goes. See him, Aaron?
Yep.
Cutlass 56 Bravo, traffic rolling off 21 now is a 737.
Yeah, I'm watching him for 56 Bravo.
Roger. Cutlass 56 Bravo, caution wake turbulence behind that 737 and contact departure.
Alright, departure for Cutlass 56 Bravo, thanks. Spokane departure, Cutlass 9656 Bravo, 5,000, climbing 6,000.
Cutlass 9656 Bravo, Spokane departure, radar contact.
Okay, so, you're gonna have to help me in getting set up for the hold, because I don't remember how to do this.
3671,
The hold is
4,100
published.
for 12000.
Yeah.
Good afternoon.
Southwest 3671, Spokane departure, good afternoon, radar contact.
3671.
Cutlass 56 Bravo, understand you wanted to hold over the VOR, and how long did you want to do that, and what's your first approach request after that?
So we'll do that for about 10 minutes.
Yeah, do 3-4 circuits and then come in for the RNAV 3
RNAV, or should we do VOR 3?
the way.
We'd like to do 3 or 4 circuits, I don't know, 10 minutes at the hold, and then request VOR 3 after that.
Cutlass 56 Bravo, roger. And for now, maintain VFR at or above 5,500.
At about 5.5 for Cutlass 56 Bravo.
they put you on, do you have approaches for 2-1?
I don't.
The wind's kind of shifted for 2-1.
That is kind of... Okay, so hold as published. We're going to be doing the inbound 028 radial, right?
Southwest 3671, contact Seattle Center 123.905.
I'm kind of here already.
Good day, Southwest 3671.
If I fly to the VOR, then I can go out like this and do a left teardrop entry and then go that way.
Yep. You're going to turn left to what heading?
To, whatever that reciprocal is, 208 and minus 45, whatever that is.
Okay, so if you cross the VOR, basically you can just put that 208 at a 45-degree hash mark.
So I'm just gonna go and now turn, I'm gonna turn here now.
Alaska 690, Spokane approach, flighting 060, vector for visual approach runway 3, descend maintain 1000.
It's gonna be pretty sloppy because I don't remember how to do it. I'm just gonna do one is visual first and then I'll do the one's instrument. I know it kind of defeats the purpose, but... I'm just gonna turn now and see what I'm doing here. I'm gonna put these on your airplane.
My plane.